inquiry is about equal rights for gay and lesbian
For me,
couples.
the public hearing component of the National Inquiry is perhaps the single most important and the one absolutely essential component of the inquiry. It's there that before the community, generally represented by the media, stories are told and victims have a chance to speak not just to us as the Commission, but to the broader nation, telling their stories and bringing it to public attention. It's there that experts in the subject matter can give the community, not just the inquiry, the benefit of their expertise and can then be questioned about it. It's there too that government officials are required to come forward and explain themselves and their policy and their actions, and at times be cross-examined.
Otherwise, if you depend only on getting information from the government, it will be given to you in a structured manner. It may not be comprehensive information, and sometimes it may be biased information. So when you have a public inquiry system, so you have the government officials there, you have the affected people there, and they can certainly cross-check each other during the course of inquiry. So public inquiry system has a huge advantage of arriving at the truth, studying the situation comprehensively, and involving number of people rather than only few individuals.
The Commission can take a number of different approaches to how to order the giving of public evidence. It may be in some countries that it's best to have similar kinds of evidence being delivered everywhere. In other places it may be better, or for other inquiries it may be better to focus on particular groups in particular places. So here we'll look at the academic experts, and here we'll question government officials, and here we'll look at people from the private sector. One thing I would say, however, is that it's important to give victims an opportunity to speak wherever a public hearing is held. Victims are not just going to be located in one spot, they need to talk to the whole community.
But in our case, we felt that we need to have a public hearing because I think the public in general doesn't seem to understand the plight of the indigenous people. We will try to ensure that indigenous people will not be put off by very formal kind of setting and all that. If some of them are not too comfortable to have an open hearing like that, we may consider listening evidence in camera just to make them feel more comfortable, more secure.